bibili ng konting suka.
Okay, for
Pwede pa sa'yo. Hindi na tayo natin.
ito mo na. Citrus. Yan yung suka. Ito yung easy feel.
Ha?
Ito easy feel ba ito?
Use like this. Ito, isip.
Soft citrus.
Pwede to. Ito lang.
Ito, yeah. Iuwi na lang natin sa cake.
Medyo mura to. Medyo lang.
Well, I don't like it. Baka na nakaka-cause din ng allergy yan. Feeling ko sometimes nakaka-cause ng allergy to yung avocado.
Ibang
What's your
brand.
favorite? I get seaweed. Yeah, I like seaweed. What's the difference? Kimchi? Kimchi and maybe it's different.
Original. At
Original
kimchi.
and kimchi is different. So there's two flavors.
Ito yung yummy yan, may ibang flavor. Shrimp. Hindi pa ako na-try ng shrimp.
Shrimp, chicken please.
Nakadalawang shrimp.
You want the coconut milk? Fishy rice. You want more sticky rice? Okay, that's so cute. Udon. There's udon. Asian foods here.
Matry ba natin yung teriyaki flavor?
There's small gochujang.
Yes.
It's small enough for me.
May mas mag-work.
No, it's small already. It's not big. How about red curry paste? And you get red, and it's big. But just get the powder one. Red curry paste. What's that? Maybe which one you like? Which one you like? The Mayploy or Shuri? Suri. Red curry paste.
Ito na yung suri.
It's expensive. It's 31. It's
Okay.
19.
Mas mabigat.
Yeah, it's fine. It's for my red curry noodles. Udon. How many you want? Udon.
Ha?
How many? I like udon. So we're in the air. Asian breakfast. Korean brand. All the bulldog. So spicy. Then shuri bento.
Hindi yung ano nila, yung Mayploy nila.
26.
Yung Mayploy nila.
Okay. Ang daming bulldog ko. What's next? Ito talaga maalala if na-try ko na. Bulldog. Bay, na-try ko na ba to? Did I? Na-try ko na ba to?
Quattro cheese na. Di ba yung last?
Ang binili ko yung pink. Sesame seeds and white sesame and it's not too expensive.
Oh,
22. Di ba gusto mo sa mango sticky rice ito? Ginagamit ko yun sa mango sticky rice or the white mung bean. These products. Chocolates, KitKats, sweets. It's for the kids. Many sweets, may Reese's, chocolates. Desserts. Yes, yes, a lot.
I busy black cherry.
Cherry cola. Cherry cola. So, you want to try? Did you try this root beer?
Root beer.
Nakapag-root beer ka na ba ever since?
Pins.
Sa Pinas. Yeah. Oo, uso naman yung araw. Not Sarsi. It's, by the way, it's Easter time. Canada and Halos. Home sweet tea from US products. No? This sweets. May gusto ka dito? Gusto ko sa ano? Ano na?
Sayang, regular.
So, binalik mo yung isang sauce.
Kinuha ko na.
Ginawa na. It's up to you. Cook with it. All the junk food. Chips and chocolate area. Yan. Yun yung gusto ko, 85% lit. Quick, ano lang, quick grocery vlog. Chili. Ano eh. Puro sauce dito. Masarap yung Nando sauce. Andun siya ba?
Gusto ko nito. Truly good.
Ah, yes. I like this. But it's increased price.
Bakit? May egg?
No. I want to get Nando's. Couscous. How much is couscous? 72. Rice. Where's the barley rice? Chocolates. What's this carrots? You want to buy olive oil? O doon na tayo bibili sa King? Over here, mga canned fruits and yeah, canned tuna, tomatoes,
Beef.
corn. Walang corn beef dito. It's just like that. Corn beef. Veggies. And pestos. Where's the
May naman last week.
flows? Yeah, all baking stuff. Plus, let's look for yeah, later. Chocolates and oh, may malaki palang Bournville dark chocolate. Let's start. May ganito ba sa Pinas? Maybe we get another one. Pasta naman, Barilla.
Rosso.
Barilla?
Genevieve.
Barilla.
Anong Genevieve?
Pesto. I like it. Let's do. Pesto.
Ano yung Genevieve?
Sunflower oil, basil. As long there's no egg. Okay.
Yung Rosso is
There's cashew. Which one ang hindi ko na-try?
Yan, yung Genevieve.
Rosso is tomato. Balsamico. Yeah. Tomatoes. I think it's sun-dried tomatoes.
Paskana mag-try na natin ang Rosso.
Ano tayo na natin? Ito talaga. O sige, approve. Meron din poly flavor. Ang gusto mo ba dito? Ito ba dito?
Pacific. Try na natin Pacific. Bolognese.
Kailangan ba natin pasata? Pasata sauce. You want pasata sauce? Maliit lang siya. Closer. Close.
Plus, nangangat mo na ito.
Hey, baby. Ito lang. I don't like this one. How many? Maybe 4. Dalawang mint. 5? Gusto mo mint o ano? Mint o yung original?
Mix na. Dalawang mint, dalawang original.
3 kinuha ko na ano. Sobra na yan.
Dalawang rice.
Talaga? I thought it's 5.
Next customer is Tello 2.
May sugar. Beer bread. Beer bread. Galio.
Bakit na po na dito?
Black rice. Oh. Black rice 57 pesos. Friend. Tolpa. Let's get this. Did we get this before?
Never rin na natin.
Is spreaded on peanut butter.
Ito hindi pa itong cookmans apple pie. Ito, apple strip. Sila natin yung mga multi na try natin.
So far, we got this. Over here, it's tea. Sarap yung rooibos tea. It's popular here. Cheap lang siya dito. Rooibos tea. Yeah, it's pretty common. And then here, oats. They like to eat porridge. Maize porridge. Mga cereal na, yeah, porridge style. Dito tayo sa coffee.
Vida e Cafe.
Vida e Cafe. Lager, Katura. Yeah, nothing. All the granolas. Should we get one here, babe?
Huh?
Yes. Mabigat. Let's get one. Doon na lang. Doon na
Doon
lang
na?
sa akin.
Mabigat.
Pati ito. Doon na lang. I think kaya pa naman ang 2 washes. 2 to 3 washes. Wow, babe. Babe. I'm curious with,
Reese Puffs.
I'm curious with this one. What? All the allergy. Talabas.
Ano yung nakakita nito?
It's 235. Are you sure? Yeah, it's fancy. It's American brand.
American.
But it's just balls. Corn puff.
Matamis siguro.
Yeah, super sweet.
Mahal.
We change our minds. Super
Kung isang daan,
expensive.
pero 235 ron.
Ito mga ano, bread. My favorites to.
Kaya na yung ibang mga cookies.
It's my stuff. To Truvia, it's sugar free. Pero I'm afraid kasi erythritol yan. It's a mix of erythritol. Ito, favorite ko na ito. May bago na yung Carb Smart. Ano, porridge. What's that? Ah, rooibos tea. With what? Plain lang. A plain rooibos. Organic. Strawberry syrup.
Wasugas. Nakatry na tayo wasugas.
Yes. You need candies. Ito yung heart, be. Ito naman, licorice flavor na heart. Ito yung binili ko last time, white chocolate. But this one is white chocolate na licorice flavor. Siguro it doesn't taste
Ah,
nice.
masarap yan.
Licorice flavor?
Ah, di ko rin sa'yo.
It looks weird, this one, before. It's nice, I like it. Doon tayo sa other side. Ito ang mga juice. Mga juice lang siya. Frozen goodies. Mga meat section. Bread. Ice cream. Bread. Ito sa kabila. Breads. Bango lang yung tinapay. Pizza, frozen pizza. And then mga health products ito. Chocolate yogi. But you need eggs. You need eggs.
Meron tayo sa van.
Mura dito. 89.
Ilang piso?
30s.
30.
Meron nga ano eh. That's jumbo. That's jumbo. Yung large is 69. 30s.
Mura.
Yeah. Nasaan ka na naman? Nasa cookies. Italian cookies, I think. Dito tayo sa mix. Ganyan yung mga cake dito. Nasa grocery available. Marami ding flavors. Pero masarap pa rin sa Pinas. Kasi ito. Mas lamang ito. Brownie. Tail candy. Carrot slice. Red velvet. Swiss. Ha! cookies, coffee, and then imported coffee, imported cookies. Anong gusto mo? May nagustuhan ka? Yeah. Ito looks good though. Wafers. Oh, masarap. We got this. Ito sa Netherlands. That one. Step one.
Your favorite.
57.
Gusto mo?
54. No, baka
Allergy.
cute. Be, may mango dito. May mango ang Spar.
Paano yan?
Hindi natin mawala.
At
They
least
go to
na
sa king. Maybe sa
ilagay natin sa fridge to na ito. Yan ang fruit natin.
No, I don't.
Meron ba sa fridge?
Sometimes. Not all the time. Tapos dito, sa mga dito, may ready-made na dough sa mga gusto ng quick, quick baking. Over here, ano to? Oh, just spices. Spices. Gusto nyo ba ng mga steak? Maraming steak dito. It's not so expensive. No? 69. We'll buy steak. Ayun ang mga steak. Pwede na ulit mag-eat. Marami dito. Ano din dito? Crinkles, cookies. Tamis. More spices. And biltong. Yeah, biltong. So we're done? I think we're done.
Lakad ulit tayo dito sa corner.
We like to do grocery. You're not in a rush.
Sa king na lang.
Oo nga, hindi ko sure.
Gusto ko na bilhin dito yung
Baka masira yung cheese. Or if tinatamad ako, ito na lang. Okay. Pwede ba dapat tinatamad ako? Baka matunaw sa biyahe. Mainit pa naman. It's summer. Hindi, it's already fall. Pero mainit pa rin. Maybe around mid-April, cooler na yung yung weather. Ito may buko juice. Ay, hindi. Coconut water. Gara. One more time. Ito, animal feather.
Tamis ko.
Anong gusto mo pa sabihin? For kids.